Today I'm going to show you a really simple recipe to make Spanish rice. And all you're going to need is a small onion, diced, chopped up real nice and small. You're going to need 1.5 cups of long grain rice, uncooked. You're going to need 1 cup of chunky salsa and 2 cups of chicken broth, or like I use the chicken bouillon. So with that, this is really simple and this is wonderful. I've got my pan nice and hot, so I'm going to put my oil in there. About a good tablespoon of oil. And I'm going to put my onions in there, because I want those to cook a little bit and get translucent. And it'll only take a few minutes. Yeah, this is a real easy recipe. And it goes with a lot of stuff. I want to make it with my, I'm making this because I want to make some chicken and black bean and, Spanish rice burritos. So that's why I am making this. And I'm not using my minute rice for that. I just want to use the long grain rice so it all cooks together. Okay, you see how I got that? The onions are doing good. Been on there a couple of minutes. So now I'm going to put my rice in there. 1.5 cups. And I'm just going to stir this around and saute this a little too. Get it all coated with the oil. And this will start getting brown. And that's when you want to put the rest of your ingredients in. But you want to let it get nice and brown. In fact, I'm going to turn it down just a little bit because I don't want the onions to burn. And it's an onion, oh, you can smell the onions, they're wonderful. But that rice, when it starts to get brown, it throws off a really nice, nutty aroma. And I love it. So we just want that to cook a little bit and get brown. And that'll be good. Once get nice and hot. And that rice is starting to get, you can see it starting to get a little brown in there. So that's going to be good. So with that, I'm going to put in my chunky salsa. There we go. And I'm also going to put in my 2 cups of chicken broth. I'm going to take that off the heat a second, because then I'm going to turn it on low. And once I get it all stirred up real good, I'm just going to put the lid on it and just let it go. For about, I'd say maybe 40 minutes or so. I'm just going to turn it on low and leave it alone. So there, I've got it all mixed up really good. There goes the lid. I'm going to let it go for about 40 minutes, and when it's done, I'll be back and I'll show you how nice it turns out. Hey friends, my rice is done, and look at how beautiful and fluffy it is. Wow, that looks wonderful, and it smells wonderful. That'll be beautiful for my burritos, and it doesn't stick to the bottom. It's beautiful. So there, that is all done and ready for the burritos. So there you have it, friends. You can use it for a side dish. It's wonderful. So there you have it. Thanks for watching.